And I'll untie the nails and cure for 60 seconds. Make sure you're floating it enough. You don't want to have it not enough. Hi Maya, hi Debbie, hi Annie Ray, hello, how are you? This is the look, and we are going to do precision glue on all of them at the same time. If you like this looks, I think it's really simple, and we can go through all the cracks and edges of crystal, and this looks usually is done by now, but if you can see that all the edges of, you know, between the charms and the crystal might catching on the client's hair and the nails and all their clothes, so we're gonna using precision glue to absolutely double secure it, so then that way the clients and you can feel really good. They're staying on and it's not coming off. So the other one still curing. Is need to cure 60 seconds. Make sure you cure for 60 seconds. I am going to do this look. This another 34, number 34, and then this one is different. And then you can do, I think it's gonna look so stunning in the black too. Yeah, you can do it in the black colors. I think it looks great. I am going to play this one right there. Give it a good press on. I can't and like so excited. On Tuesday, we're gonna do some really cool ombre, liquid gunpowder and crystal placements and a lot of other designs. So I have some oil on my nails as I have the cuticle oils on. I feel like really slippery, so I'm not using my duo, and it's really cool. Look at this. Just rub right on the nail surface. You can see that. So I'm using this is IHO Chanful Foil. So if you're using this one, make sure you give for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go back and forth. The next one I'm gonna do is Premium's IHO, and then but this one we did using Chanful Foil in a white bottle, and now we gonna finish. We'll do crystal placement, but we're gonna using a matte top coat. The other ones we do shiny top coat, and this one we're going to do a matte top coat. If you are using a matte top coat, just wanna show you this quick to see how it chamfer everything. And if you're using a matte, if you're using the crystal placement, instead of doing a no wipe top coat on the top, you will using a condensed glue gels and then a matte top coat, and it's gonna give you a matte soy look. Now we're gonna apply. If for any of you who are first time using our condensed glue gel, it absolutely is normal when you feel really thick density. So I'm gonna blend this nicely and apply the matte top coat on the top of this condensed glue gels. Oh, thank you, Foxy. All right, so let me apply floating on the top. I'm excited with this. And let's see. This so cute piece. I really like this. It looks so boring if you're seeing it by itself, but you incorporate with a lot of different cool crystals. So should we do a red on this one? Maybe red on this crystal, on this design. Yeah, gonna look really stunning. Hi Tammy. Hi Tammy from Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in. how are you? Hope you have a great Saturday. I can't believe it's already like Saturday. Time just flies so fast. I might miss some of your question, okay? Because I am going to look at it in just a second. This is a really heavy piece. All right. My Scarlet's red. I really obsesses with this. All right. And this all the charms that you're seeing it, I'm using this really cool stunning Obsidian charms collections, one of the newest one. And I have so much fun to play with this. Kind of give it contrast of really strong two colors together. Great. I am gonna adjusting it right before. Let's place that one in. And just as long as you place them really tight and close together, they really like gonna stay for you. There's the cool techniques for crystal placements and the design with Chanfa Voice for all of you who have some of the products with Glitz, and you have foil and crystal placement. You can easy to achieve this look. And if your clients don't want all the beads, you absolutely can just leave it alone and clear. But if the clients want a little bit more like jewelry, you can add scissors on. And you see me do a lot of crystal placements on the cuticles area. Is this time I would like to show you. You can do in the middle of the nails, or you can do like 1/3 of the nails. All right, so I am going to cure this for 60 seconds. Before that, if you need to adjusting any of the crystals, you're gonna do it now before you cure it. Alright, let's cure this and then see how it turned out for us. that pretty red. Hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Great. All right, so we are like going to the third one. Oh, thank you, Tammy. Thank you, Tammy from Facebook. That's gorgeous. The red is really makes that turquoise pop. I agree. It's really cool. And then next I am going to do is this colors. We should change it to the pink one as well. Right here on the kits. This one is turning to the matte look. This is the matte finish.